I went out and bought me a GoPro camera. I got me a GoPro Hero 8, and also got me the thing that'll fit on the cap of the head where the GoPro will fit here, and also got the one that straps on to the chest for a chest mount. And the reason I did that was so that I can make better quality videos, and videos that are more interesting. Using my cell phone as my camera for doing my YouTube videos, it's been okay, but it's not, had the video quality that I wanted. And I also wanted to be able to, not always have a phone in my hand, trying to video something while I'm trying to do something. It's like my cell phone. I'm using it right now. It's got two cameras. It's got that little one that, is on the face of it, and then the big one on the back. But I'm using the little one on the front face of it. And it does okay for videos like this. But if I want to get out and, do some work on something, I need to have my hands free, and I need to be able to do stuff without having to, totally, hold a camera with one hand. So I wanted something that has better video. I can put on my head or my chest, or put it on a little tripod or whatever. It's something that's not my cell phone. And I've always heard, from other video YouTube contributors, or whatever you want to call them, that cameras like that usually work pretty good. Work out better than your cell phone. Some of these newer cell phones work wonders, work great. But mine's an old Samsung, and I don't want to use it for doing YouTube videos anymore. I will once in a while, but I think I'm going to start using my GoPro and doing some, I don't want to say action films or anything like that, but that GoPro I can mount it to different things, and be able to, kind of do different quality, different type video than what I've been putting here on YouTube. And another thing I was considering, I don't know that I'll really do it, maybe creating a whole new YouTube channel and have it, different. But I want to grow this channel that I've got. I want this channel to grow, and I want it to be better than what it has been. So I'm going to do some thinking on that, but I'll definitely do a video on kind of like a product review whenever I get that home, and kind of get it all unpackaged on video. I got it. Look at that seat. But anyway, it's right there in the seat. I guess you can see it. But yeah, my seat covers left over from somebody else. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to change the format and the way I do my videos, and come up with something new and different. Talk to you later.